Zinger, and it's called the 21C, the world's first human AI design 3D printed hypercar. And it's tandem seating in here. It's pretty cool, pretty badass. Not sure what the performance is on it. It's got a radiator right there in the duct with a fan. All carbon fiber interior. And it looks like a race car.
Yeah.
And exhaust. Pretty badass. And this is the other Zinger here. And this is called the 21C, also the VMAX. Top speed 253, 0 to 60 1.9 seconds. Hybrid powertrain with 1250 horsepower and 1350 horsepower is available with a weight of 2756. Yeah, that's a monster. And it doesn't weigh anything. 3D design, man. Now this one's more, looks like, I could say luxury orientated because it has leather added to the carbon fiber. I love the tandem seating though, that's pretty sick. Formula One feel. Let me know what you guys think. Is this something that you would push? Could you see yourself driving down a freeway, getting in this thing, hitting 250? Now this is their GT, and this is, you know, your cruiser right here, your luxury performance. This is even pretty sick, you know. Check out the lighting in the back, all 3D design, very Tron-like, super cool. Lines are very sleek, and yeah, it's got a unique design to it. I mean, look at the side mirrors. The side mirrors are pretty wicked, and you can kind of see the 3D design in the wheels a lot. Center lock caps, a lot of carbon fiber, and just look at the front light display. You see a lot of the 3D elements in that also. The future, huh? AI and 3D printing is here, you guys.
Welcome. So this is your support material right here, right? Or is that?
Yeah, that's actually a little bit of support that we did.
Check out that engine compartment.
But that's basically the only support that this had, except for some of the barrel set up alongside.
So what's this kind of like ring that you guys have, like in terms of this?
That's actually just due to the front tires.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is that thermal chain? Like thermal?
No, it's just how the powder gets swept across.
Okay. So are you guys going for more like polished finish or like straight out performance in terms of like this? Like is that like
It just varies on the part, whether we're doing something that's purely structural or purely just cosmetics.
How's this with the yeah.
Interesting.
Saving that weight. Now with this part right here, was this designed?
Yeah. So we'll take those out of the surfaces. So yeah, anything that's a primary structure.
Is there anything? Well, I would almost just carry it.
It's a good concept.
I think this is a 700 plus version. That's a turbo. Super clean. The detail is amazing. And this is actually a left-hand driver. Now this is a Gunther Werks Speedster. Look at the detail inside the engine compartment, man, amazing. This is just a work of art right here. Such a beautiful car. And they're all spoken for. Amazing detail. Clean, man. Yeah, for you Porsche guys out there, you already know. And then this one has exposed carbon fiber. It just looks so clean. Look at those wheels. Gunther Werks, man, dope. This one right here, blacked out wheels, black and yellow, a work of art. Big money right here. Carbon fiber everywhere. Yo, yo, yo. At a Gunther Werks event, and they got some dope whips out here. Now, if you're a fan of Porsche, you're a fan of Gunther Werks, you know what's cracking with these. Big money right here, $500,000 starting. And yeah, these are handcrafted, highest quality you could think, and the detail is amazing. Straight performance, meant to be driven hard and not trailered. So if you know Porsche, you know about Gunther. These cars are amazing. Rolling art right here. 4.0s. These are all, like I said, spoken for. And you're talking about quality. Well, I would say these are on the same level as Czinger. You know, Zinger's a little different. I would say these are, I don't know, maybe more of a performance base, but nonetheless, both cars are beautiful. Both cars are very desirable. Go to muscleupdetailspray.com and pick you up some merch.
Stop walking around with a crusty butt, smelly ball sack, and a funky hoo-ha. Big Herc said, wash that ass. Pick you up a t-shirt at freshoutseries.com.
Hello, I'm Big Herc 916. Contact me for life coaching and motivational speaking.